The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. Residents of Seattle, evacuate the area immediately. A dangerous group of an army, now known as the Cultist Fortress, has been reported to be attacking the city of Seattle and causing mass damage to vehicles, buildings, and transportation. In addition, they can lure people in and take their souls. This is a life-threatening situation, and the action should be taken seriously. All residents who are living outside of downtown Seattle are strongly advised to seek shelter in a building or a home. And if you are currently in the city of Seattle, evacuate the area immediately. Do not get caught when you are evacuating the area. Repeating, evacuate. Remain tuned for more updates.